Hey guys, and welcome back to another Sonic Academy video tutorial. In this one, we're going to have a look at we showed you that sort of Waveshaper tip in the last one, and we're going to show you how to use it to create a sort of effect within your track and then get that sort of a computery sound using the Redux control in Ableton. And I'm just going to show you what I've got here already. So that's the sort of sound we're aiming for. It's that sort of a computery, almost like a modem. Or sort of radio dial kind of thing. And it's all kind of based around this sort of Redux control here, which degrades the sound, and we're using the arpeggiator to jump back and forth. So it's going to insert a MIDI track and just build this again just to show you. So we've got our silent, and we'll just go in. Let's drop in a tri-saw wave, and then we're going to drop in a saturator. We're going to go to the Waveshaper, and we're going to bump all these controls up. We'll turn the color on, and then we're going to decrease the depth there and just bring the frequency back a bit. Just going to bring the volume down as well here. So you can hear that we're already getting kind of weird sounds at the top. It's going to drop in an arpeggiator from our MIDI effects. So we're getting some sort of cool effects coming out there already. And if you go into the silent and put the portamento control on, you get that sort of sweeping sound between the notes. Make sure it's on slide. Okay, and then maybe drop in a Redux and they get that sort of computery sound then. Again, it's just trial and error, moving around the sort of distance of the arpeggiator and playing around with the portamento control on the silent. And then you can drop in maybe if you're using this within your track, if it's maybe some sort of spaced out, I don't know, ambient track that you're using, you want something playing around in the background, you could maybe drop in. Let's see, we've got maybe a filter delay. So I'll go in here. Actually, we'll go for a grain delay. Drop it onto return track and send some of this. And we'll try one of the presets. And then we can maybe just do like drop in a couple auto filters and maybe just take the mid. Okay, so you can get some really interesting and cool effects just by playing around with that sort of arpeggiator, the saturator, and with the Waveshaper, the Redux control, and the portamento control on your silent, and then some sort of effects thrown in there at the end.